Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga Design. Today we will create this brick pattern in a pro way. So how we can make it? Let's start. Create a rectangle shape, then go to Object and Pattern, then click on Make. It will give a dialog box. Then choose a brick by row from title type. Then increase the width, spacing and the height spacing according to your requirement. Then if you want to leave this all the in setting like this, you can do it, but if you want to check other settings, you can simply click on different options. So I'm for this tutorial I'm taking this setting only. Then create, done. It will save a copy in swatches. Then next time whenever you create a rectangle or square or box according to requirement, then click on bricks and it will fill with the brick pattern. This is a short tutorial, hope you like it, and if you want such tutorial in future, please like my channel. Thank you so much.